Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to sync your Google Calendar events to your Google Maps. So first of all, you go to your settings, you scroll down to Google Calendar, you click on it and make sure it has access to your location. Here I chose while using the app. After that, you go to Google Calendar, you click the plus sign below to create an event. You click on event and then you can just say fun day. You choose a date by clicking on this. You click on any date of your choice and you choose the time, or you can just click all day event. You can add your guests, add video conferencing, and then add a location. Here's where Google Map comes in. Here you type in a place from Google Map, Travalaka Square, and then that's it. It's integrated together. So after that, you can add description, add a notification and co. And when you are done with everything you wish to do here, you click on save, which is at the top right. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.